It is a constructive session for markets globally, with equities leading the charge. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into corn. Corn surged to $438.25 per bushel, a move of plus 6.18% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $435.50 and $440. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. This comes as S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war, adding pressure to energy markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, this comes as S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. Meanwhile, Brent crude dipped minus 0.99% to $72.20. The move follows reports that core differences between West Texas Intermediate, WTI, and Brent crude and the effect of the Iran war, EnergyNow.com. Meanwhile, WTI crude dipped minus 1.05% to $68.77. The move follows reports that core differences between West Texas Intermediate, WTI, and Brent crude and the effect of the Iran war, EnergyNow.com. Meanwhile, natural gas dipped minus 1.07% to $3.24. This comes as S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war, adding pressure to energy markets. Coming back to corn. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on corn. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $464.55 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on weather forecasts and key producing region developments. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our deep dive on corn. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.